Tech's been awesome to us. We did a hiring event a couple weeks ago, and just the students and the quality that we get here are just awesome. And all the career services staff have been great, especially Tim and Lauren. So just a great environment and great people around here.
So Lincoln Tech has been a great partner with us. I'm actually a Lincoln Tech graduate. Came back to Lincoln because we hire more than 100 service technicians here in the Indianapolis market, and they provide an outstanding training program for all of our employees, and they also help us fill all of the needs across the industry with the massive shortage in technicians across the country.
We choose Lincoln Tech to help with our hiring needs because we appreciate their efforts to partner with us and the medical assistant program that they have worked so hard to develop. We have been able to find great talent within the network, and that is due to the program's dedication to development and growth.
The room for opportunity and growth is huge, which creates different positions every day. On the auto tech side, that's one of the hardest positions to fill right now. So anything that we can work with Lincoln Tech to get those future auto techs in the door. Lincoln Tech does a great job developing their students into future mechanics and future service writers and store managers. We've hired plenty of Lincoln Tech students over the years, and they seem to pan out. I mean, that's kind of what we look for. We want people that we can put into the workforce and kind of hit the ground running. So,
CIT has been coming to Lincoln Tech for about 25 years now. It's very close to our stores and our locations, and the students that we have hired from Lincoln Tech have been well prepared to come into the workforce, and they have the basic knowledge they need to advance and excel through the company. And then once they get to us, we'll train them and get them certified so they can have a great career.
So Lincoln Tech has been a great partner. You guys have the diesel program here. You have welding, CNC. You have different automotive, that's transferable skills. So lots of programs that's already underway that helps us with our skilled trades at MacAllister as far as technicians, mechanics, yard coordinators, and different things like that.
I actually am a graduate from Lincoln Tech. I graduated in 2015. My company hired me basically about 6 months after I graduated from Lincoln Tech, which was great. I've been with them ever since. I've hired on a couple different Lincoln Tech people. Someone I went to school with, I brought him on for a couple years until he moved back home to Ohio. We've hired about 4 or 5 other Lincoln Tech graduates since then, and we're always looking for more.
What's really impressive about Lincoln Tech is, as an employer, we're in contact with the instructors, and the instructors are always asking us, the employers, what skills they really need in future workers. And so it's nice to have that input, to be able to provide the things into the classroom that we think are important from a developmental aspect. The school is a top-notch organization from head to toe. It's a great learning environment. They have wonderful instructors, and the staff in which I interact as a recruiter is A1A.
I've been coming to Lincoln Tech to 2011 since I joined the company, and I've been here to every career fair that they've had. And I've probably got over, I'd say probably 55 to 60 of my technicians are Lincoln Tech graduates that came through the program, got a good base, got a good foundation here. And when a guy is willing to spend his own money and tells me he's interested in being serious and looking for a career, and so they make a really good employee, because they have a good foundation and they get all that right here. They have good instructors, they have good quality equipment and nice facilities, and that just enhances when they come to our school. We just pick up with that and take that to the next level.
We really want to better our relationship with Lincoln Tech. Really, we want to be the first call. We want to be able to get these students at the ground level, teach them our way, build a career for them so they can succeed in life.